Hi kitty cats, we're gonna do our Ipsy bags today. Me and Sinfulkitkat. And who's going first?
Whose birthday is it?
It is, the day we're filming today is her birthday. When you see this, it will not be her birthday. So.
New year, more products. More focus on you. Frick, frack, frick, frick. Oh, we don't need to know about this.
Hey, no fighting.
I love our cats.
They're just cooped up in the house. They don't like it.
Oh wait, okay, so this, they have a new thing going on. They're pamphlets.
Yeah.
They're telling what's in them. So we know more about them, I guess.
That's good, because that actually was one of the annoying things, was that they didn't.
That we never knew what was in
Yeah.
them. So, ooh.
Ooh, I'm jealous. You got an eyeliner. Right? Is that what you got?
Yeah, I think. I mean,
Why don't you take things out first before you...
Why don't I figure that out myself? So first we got...
dropping stuff.
Oh wait, I didn't show the bag. This is the bag.
Yeah.
I'm kind of.
I know some people really liked it.
It's cute.
It's not my thing.
I don't really have any clothes that match that particularly.
Yeah, me neither.
And I like purses to match my style, so. But this is. Hello, I have returned.
I wish I had a Kleenex right now. Just saying.
So this is Ella Eden London. Pressed Julia. Somebody pressed Julia, I guess.
Okay.
It doesn't really say the... Figure I'll put it up close if I have to.
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay.
It doesn't really say what color it is though. Unless Julia is the color. Hello.
Oh, it went
Yo, camera.
It'll focus again in a minute.
They already saw it.
I know, but I'm trying to...
No, it focused before with the...
I don't know. That's not good.
When I was scratching my back.
It's back on recording.
I know. Arizona Clay 12-hour full coverage foundation.
Oh, that's cool. We got a foundation. It's probably not your color though. It's tart. Isn't it? Isn't that what? Oh wow. That's way off.
It's
way off.
Really way
it's
off.
like really yellow too, and you're not like...
Is this more yours?
No, it's not really my color either.
Okay, one thing for Ipsy. I am pale.
Yeah, that's...
If you could make porcelain foundation, that would be great.
It says fair sand, which neither one of us is like that type of color really. Maybe more so me than you.
I guess I'm gonna have to find someone in my school that has fair sand. That's not something you go up to people every day and be like...
It's very yellow toned, so...
Go up to people, yo, are you very yellow toned? A car skin, mini care, lip butter.
Ooh, lip butter.
Cute little box. Check it out. It's a cute box.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay.
Ha.
It did.
It didn't.
It's dead.
Prove it.
Oh my god, you're...
I don't have long nails like you
Why
do.
don't you let me do it then? Like, it's this
Oh,
thing
it's
called
so gross.
asking. This box is gonna rip, because
Oh, don't rip the baby box.
I can't help it. It's... There. It was just a little rip at least. There you go.
To tape it, everything, which is rude. Oh, this is cute. The way it's like...
The packaging's very cute.
Yeah, it's really cute.
It's very, very tiny sample though. It's like super tiny sample.
It smells weird though.
And it doesn't smell good. I don't like that.
Oh, I know why.
What?
It's a flavor that you don't like.
Oh.
I think. Wait,
Is it
no.
minty?
I don't... It's like Burt's Bees.
Oh.
Like
We both have really dry, chapped lips right now. So.
It's called winter. Don't add dried lips for the...
I don't usually have a problem during the winter, but...
Well, guess what?
This year I am. What's that?
Follow and share. Wait, that's not
Yeah, that's not what it is.
Nail Medic, Rose Hip, and Green Tea Infused Nail Polish.
What's the color?
Did you not hear me?
It's nail polish.
Rose Hip.
Yeah, that's not the color. That was what it's infused with.
Yes, it is.
Rose hip and green tea infused nail polish. That's what's infused with. That's not the color. No, it's not. Nourishes and hydrates nails. They don't have a name of the color. It's all their nail polish is has the rose hip and green tea in it. Infusion means what's infused into it, not the color or pigment.
Does it smell good? Yeah, it smells like nail polish. It's okay. I'm fine. I love buying back.
Okay. And that's, yeah, there's your
That's
eyeliner.
where I draw the line.
I got an eyeliner.
Yes.
Ico's okay for eyeliner. I feel like it's a little wet, like you have to wait for it to dry.
I do liquid eyeliner.
Okay.
Actually, lately I've been using gel liner.
Yeah, I know, you've been using my gel liner.
Because I don't have gel liner other than colorful ones for some odd reason.
Okay. Some of my stuff came outside the purse.
You get more stuff than me every time, I swear.
Isn't filling out. You do. So.
Why does it say you can't? I'm just reading.
It's just, can you please let me do this? We're not with it today. Ilamasqua coloring pencil in eye crayon. In the color Honor. Oh my god. Come out. Thank you. That's very brown. Brown. They just gave me a brown eyeliner last month. It was a different brand, but it was like, I don't need 2 brown eyeliners in a row, Ipsy. Thanks.
Ipsy disagrees.
So, and a couple sheet masks. These are really cute.
They're from emoji ones. Not emoji,
they're
like face filters.
Juen, I think is the company. But careful. And this one's purifying. It says you can't handle this sheet. Get it? And this one is hydrating. And this one is, this sheet is bananas. It's ridiculous names. Anyways.
But they're like face filter things. Like if you look in the back, you can take a picture of it. And
That's the instructions that they always do. What is up with you today?
No! This was literally from a Snapchat filter where your cheeks had like flames on it.
Okay. I never did any Snapchat filter like that, but I haven't been on Snapchat.
It's also a Facebook filter.
Okay, I've never done that either. Anyways. Okay. This is gonna be an interesting video for you to watch because we're like we're bitchy to each other today. This is Fluid. It's lip gloss and
She doesn't want to watch anime with me.
oh my god. Just not in the mood. at all. This is just a clear lip gloss.
Wait, does it have glitter?
No.
Oh, it's just a like.
It's reflecting. Just it's just clear. It looks like it would be like shimmery, but it's not. It's just clear.
Looks like it would also plump your lips.
It's really goopy too. Like when you feel it, it's super sticky. I don't think I will like this.
Don't like sticky.
Yeah, I don't know what's up with that one. But got a couple more things in here. We've got So Susan Cosmetics Dream Maker Light Shifting Highlighting Cream. What?
Why is it making weird faces?
Okay. And let's see. Oh, that's very. You can get the light. It's pretty.
It's very pretty.
It's very pretty.
I didn't even see it.
Alright. And the last thing is Skin & Co. Aroma Truffle Therapy Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. So it's an exfoliating cleanser. Oops. That smells good. It smells good. So I'll be interested in using that. Oh my gosh, what is up with you? You're 20. Act like it. All right. Anyways.
Wait, we got one more thing.
I don't.
Yes, we do.
I don't.
Yes, we do.
Oh, that's not a thing.
He's a makeup product.
He's not a makeup product.
He always wanted to become a makeup product. And now he's finally a makeup product.
I'm sorry, Miss Sniffly. Mr. Pumpkin Spice. Okay, so that was our Ipsy bags today. Thank you for putting up with us. Always remember to be kind, even when you want to strangle them.
What?
Bye-bye, kitty cat.
What was that? No? What?